So one of the things that we certainly want to do as tiny authors, people writing tiny books to build our business, is articulate how it is that our approach, angle, idea, or ethos is different than other folks in our immediate orbit. So how is your thinking if you're writing a book? How is your process or your program, your content, your community, your course, etc., different than what's already available? This applies in your book as well as in the end experience that you're offering folks once they're done your book. So, you want to have people take an action, as we've covered already, and you want to be very clear in your ability to articulate that both to yourself and obviously to your audience. So how can you challenge a convention, confront a confusion, and convey, crystallize, or communicate, let's say, a unique idea or a new way of perceiving or overcoming a challenge? This is actually the most important piece of the tiny book process. It's actually the gift that you give your audience, your readers, as well as the gift that you give yourself. And ultimately, you're available to meet a small percentage of your readers on the other side of this divide. And again, the content, the course, the community, the mission, the manifesto, an event, a cause, whatever it is that you're actually asking people to commit to, that is the other side of the divide where your words meet your work.